Hi, this is Chuck Oliver. Welcome to this week's Hidden Wealth Solution Review. Well, we're talking taxes, and I want to teach you the five main things that you can legally avoid that, unfortunately, if you don't avoid them, are going to cost you dearly in retirement. In fact, Newsmax, Chris Heerling had an article out. Think twice before saving for retirement. Uncle Sam is watching you. He says you probably don't want to hear this, but old man Uncle Sam's mouth is watering about now. You see, the boomer generation has saved $14 trillion in IRAs and 401ks, 403bs, all types of tax-deferred accounts. And if just a 15% tax is applied to that, that's over $2.1 trillion that the government desperately needs and they're targeting right now. And here's the reality. And first I want to teach you, I'm going to be giving you the opportunity to learn how to avoid these five things in an introduction to my tax independence webinar. It's complimentary. We encourage strongly spouses attend together. And it's at retirementprotected.com. That's retirementprotected.com. But here's the five things that you can avoid or you hope to avoid in what you can learn. Number one, avoid paying 3 times more in Medicare premiums for the same coverage that your next door neighbor has. We see this all the time. The money being distributed out of these IRAs is just taxing people to the max, and it's hitting these what I call stealth tax areas like Medicare Part B and D. Pay significantly more in taxes on your Social Security. In other words, having 50 to 85% of your Social Security tax means the government's reducing about 20 cents of every dollar you've worked hard to pay into that you deserve to get out of, and unfortunately you won't see. But you can legally eliminate taxes on your Social Security. I'll teach you how. Be unable to itemize deductions, which unfortunately makes you what I call the perfect taxpayer, which you want to avoid in retirement. And then seeing up to 40% of your estate eroded by Uncle Sam because of this 5-year rule on non-spouse, meaning our children, inheritance of our IRAs or 401ks. And lastly, how to save on average $600,000 of unnecessary tax by getting your retirement income tax-free, totally. Go to retirementprotected.com. That's retirementprotected.com. And let me give you an introduction in about an hour with your spouse so you can learn how you can be a tax-free retiree. Retirementprotected.com, retirementprotected.com.